Man, today I'm just talking to people, I'm seeing grow so much in their music, doing their thing, releasing jam after jam. Please send us messages, MX24 TV, every single platform. Hashtag is MXLIVE. Be a part of the conversations. I tell you, we bring you the best artists every single time. And right now I have a brother and a friend, Kojo Blak, in the studio. Wait, has it been a year since we spoke?
Nah.
It's not been a year. Like a little,
Yeah.
like 8-6 months? There, bro?
Because
it was 4 months?
Now we drop up.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Bro, so I remember that conversation, right? And we had our interview, we spoke, and I think you just released Rugged,
Yeah.
if I'm not mistaken.
Rugged 2.0.
No, before now.
Before I released Rugged, it was part of my whole EP.
Oh, so wait, there's a
we
Rugged.
We're talking about my EP.
Yeah.
Yeah, then.
Yeah. And, okay, so the 2.0 is the remix, obviously.
Yeah, it's a remix.
Okay, how long ago was the original before the remix?
The original, after I came from Nigeria, I dropped it around April.
So what was the distance? Because it seems like the song took off so quickly. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah,
the timeline is wild.
Like, Rugged was wild after the EP. Like, we played Abena.
Yeah.
That was Abena's live.
Yeah.
And Abena was, at the point, was at, like, its peak.
Okay.
So it was peaking out. So Abena was what I was more focused on. But surprisingly, Rugged...
So you didn't know it was going to do what it did?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Wow.
But I didn't know.
Bro, that song took off. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to take you back a bit, because I think that day I spoke to you about your energy and your positivity, and I told you some stuff like, bro, you're going to do big things. Yeah. I mean, I'm not saying I'm a prophet or anything, if anybody wants to call me a prophet, like, I'm cool with that. I'm not saying that.
Yeah.
But I think what I said is come true.
And that's foresight, bro. If you
right?
can be able to foresee something.
Yeah. When you sit here now and you think about then, again, the timeline being so short, right? And where you are now, again, writing songs for Kitty, we'll get to that, working with Olive the Boy. Are you surprised? Did you also foresee I'm going to do these things, again, in that short period of time?
Well, already before I was working with, since last year, I've been working with big names.
Okay.
I'm working with A-list artists from Ghana and Nigeria. So I've been working with top-notch artists. But especially on the 2.0, Olive's verse, I had verses from Nigeria as well, but Olive's verse was okay for me, was the best.
Oh, you had people who sent you verses?
Yeah.
Wouldn't they be pissed? They're like, bro, this is the biggest song now. I sent you a verse. Why am I not on the song? Did you get anything like that at all?
No, I don't mean from Ghana.
Yeah, from Nigeria, I mean.
Yeah, from Nigeria.
Wouldn't they be like, Charlie, why isn't my verse on Rugged? Everybody's listening to Rugged.
You know, that's the thing. That's the thing. But then I'm looking forward to having different versions. This is 2.0.
Oh.
I'm looking forward to having different versions of Rugged.
Okay.
With the verses that I have in my possession now.
Okay.
But then aside that, there are so many records.
No, this boy works. This boy, he's wild. In between all this, right, before Rugged 2.0 came out, you had written for Kitty.
Yeah.
Did you write for Kitty before your EP or after? That's the Lomo Lomo, I mean.
I think Lomo Lomo was written a couple of months ago.
Bro, this is
before I even dropped my EP.
Again, the reason why I'm focusing a lot on timelines is you were doing these things before, so to speak, your music proper took off. Yeah. So you've been writing for people have recognized your talent.
No, I've not been writing for.
You've not written for anyone.
I've written for a couple of people, but not
no artists who are out there, big artists. But you were still writing. That's the most important thing, right? You were writing. Okay, so how did Kitty and his team recognize you? Let me say.
Okay. So shouts to my lawyer, shouts to Kitty's lawyer, named Lawyer K. So he's a representative of so many artists, including Kitty and myself.
Okay.
So he was like, bro, I think you would fit for Kitty's album.
Wow.
So that was how come I had that opportunity. And shouts to Kitty, for believing in somebody like me.
Yeah.
An up and coming artist like me.
Yeah.
Because it's not so many artists
Yeah, and bro,
that
like
would do,
I
that would
really
do
want
what
to
he
like
did.
I don't want anyone
And
to
I
like,
don't think I would have been here even talking about it if Kiddy didn't go out to talk about it first.
Yes.
Or if he didn't give me that
Yes.
willpower to do so.
I'm glad you said this, right? Because what I was gonna say is, what is interesting for me is you weren't the biggest artist, right, before you were recognized. So as you are saying, for Kiddy to like say, oh man, I see something in that boy, right? He's dope because Kiddy's Kiddy, right? He's got the songs, he's already out there. And it's no small feat to write a song for a big artist for it to be that big.
Yeah.
And then doing all this again before your music takes off. Writing for artists here and there. You said you didn't write for the biggest artists at that time. Writing for yourself. And even if Kiddy didn't speak about this, when we spoke, you never told me that. You remember, like you never told me like, oh, like
how was I supposed to?
you like, oh Jay, you know, I write for Kiddy, you know, I write for, but you never said that, right? And I think that's a testament to the fact that you believe in your work. Like you let the work speak for itself.
Yeah.
So you do all these things, and now when did you recognize? When did your team know that Rugged is going places?
Well, what was showing on the DSPs was showing on like my audience and my monthly listeners, and Rugged was doing amazing work. Aside Rugged, I think Gear as well, because the surprising thing about like what's giving me like that vim is I had a song which is not like blowing up like Rugged yet, but it has crazy streams from outside Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Because Rihanna used it for her what's her name? Her reel.
Rihanna used your song.
Yeah, Gia. For their reel. And it was just getting like some viral buzz on social media. Like the moment I saw it, I was like, okay.
Damn, that's wild.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. A Ghanaian like me.
Yeah, a superstar like you. So okay, that happens. It's taking off. And what was it? A business decision, you know, to keep it going, like with the remix, the 2.0, as you're saying, possible more remixes. Is that a business decision solely, or more of a creative reasoning for the fact that you love the song so much?
For
Rugged 2.0, yeah.
Yeah. For Rugged 2.2, I was looking forward to putting like Ghanaian acts, like West African acts, as usual. So I knew Olive would kill it, and I believed in him because I've known him. So I was like, yo, bro, what do you think about this verse? Like, what do you think about this space? You go fit kill him, give me medal.
Oh, and he killed it.
And he was ready, like he was just ready.
Yeah.
So he just called me one Sunday. We came to his studio. Then he just nailed everything.
Was the plan always to shoot the music video, or was it because the song was so good?
Like the song was good, and we knew like the song is going to attain certain heights.
Okay.
And shouts to everybody who is helping us like promote our songs. Yeah, shouts to all the DJs, especially shouts to Virus.
Yeah. But bro, the video is like, I'm assuming a lot went into this video, from the planning, the props, the finances, and all these things. So please. Awesome. Okay, so just in case you've not seen this video, check this out. An amazing song, one of the biggest songs I believe of the year. We'll be right back. Bro, you must be very proud of yourself, man. For real.
Yeah.
You are, right?
Yeah.
Because that's a dope video.
Yeah.
Are you on a record label?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your record label?
Anchor Recordings. Where
Banco.
Uncle.
Okay.
Where Victorians, Swahili, what's the name? There are so many artists under Uncle.
Okay. So I'm assuming you're in and out of Nigeria a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. How is that for you as an artist? You know, moving back and forth in Nigeria.
Only Nigeria.
Yes. I mean, not only Nigeria, like South Africa, Ghana, here, there, everywhere. How is that for you, like in this moment right now?
Me, I would say it's a blessing to be able to testify in both markets, like Ghana, Nigeria. Not just even in Ghana, Nigeria, like other parts of the world, you know.
Okay.
It's a beautiful thing to represent Ghana in other parts of the
Yeah.
world than just like
Yeah.
being here.
How long have you been on that label, man?
That label, I think for almost a year now.
Almost a year. Oh man, you guys are doing big things already. Shout out to you and your label, man. Hopefully we get more music like this, more features. So what's the plan moving forward? Because you're bringing new music.
Yeah,
Soon.
Plenty.
Okay, tell us about the next one.
Okay, the next song I'm dropping is with Kelvin Boy. So shouts to Kelvin Boy. I'm dropping Excellent on 11th.
Man, I can't wait to hear that, man.
They can't scatter everywhere.
If it's anything like what I'm expecting from both of you.
Yeah, it's anything like what you...
Okay, it is right.
No, it's something different from what you're expecting.
So it's called Excellent.
Yeah, normally it has high life. It has a feel of high life and Afro.
What's Excellent about? Like, what's the song talking about?
I no go disclose.
Oh, come on now.
If I give you poor the
Kojo Blak, me and you. Me and you.
Okay, I will talk
off air. You see, it's not me, but he said he tell me off air. So when's that one dropping, man?
So that one is dropping on the 11th of December.
Okay. Oh, that's a few days away.
Yeah.
What's it? Today's 3rd? 2nd? Okay.
2nd.
That's soon we'll find out, right? That's a few days away. So again, this is coming. Are we going to get like an album soon, an EP soon? Because one thing is, when the music is good, fans want to more.
I will feed you with more, cause me now they like more. Like I be like Oliver Twist. I know they content with what I have yet. I just the one stack them up more. Cause me I get songs, like songs.
Nice. I like that, man. I like your energy. I like that as always. What do you want to tell your fans before you leave, man?
Charlie, anybody where they support Kojo Blak music, to shout to anybody where they support Kojo Blak music, I dey appreciate the love, like, I dey appreciate everybody. Because it be your support which has gotten me here, and it's your support which is going to take me above here.
Amen.
The sky is just a stepping stone. We're about to make a massacre. Repeat it after me, bro. We're about to make a massacre.
Yeah, so I repeated.
Yeah.
I'm sure the fans also repeated.
So, because you be one of my biggest fans.
Charlie, I'm proud of you, man.
Yeah,
I remember that conversation so vividly. Yeah. And I really, really foresaw this. And I even foresee like bigger things. I can't wait to see the music videos. And to all the ladies in your videos that you don't call me at the video shoots. That's something we'll talk about off air too. Okay. A couple of punches are going to fly.
Oh, I mean, I know they do. I know they like your
I know, like, just like me. Oh, man. That's how I like this guy. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's been amazing as always. So, Rugged and Rugged 2.0, I've been out in all those other songs on all platforms. Yeah. People can buy them. Yeah. That's how people can get the music. And yes, let me repeat, please buy the music. That's the way to support an artist.
Stream maker get money.
Stream the music. Let's get the views on YouTube. But the views are crazy already, right? Yeah. But let's make it even crazier. We appreciate you so much. And I remember so much from that first interview. We got so many messages. People were saying, because I think we played that live performance. Yeah. We're saying like, oh, he's dope. He's really good. So to see all this, and again, it's all about the time span for me is really, really incredible.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. And we appreciate you, the fans, because nothing we do
Charlie,
here
we give
is possible without you. Yes, and God, of course, the Almighty, the most amazing. Tomorrow, I have an interview with the CEO, the co-founder, for Audio Mag, the CMO and co-founder for Audio Mag, David Ponte. I promise you it's going to be an interesting one. I'm sure we're going to learn a lot, about how we can get our music on these platforms and take advantage of these platforms, because you find artists like Kojo Blak music on Audio Mag and all these other spaces. There's so much access, right? How well are we doing as an industry, right? A lot is going on tomorrow. Very, very big exclusive. I promise you that's going to be happening. And on that note, I do have to let you go. And please find my brother, support his music as always. Have a very wonderful afternoon. Salute.